Remember that the following content is just a summary of information available on the internet, generated by AI. Investing decisions carry risks. Is Alexandria R the lab for your capital? Comprehensive analysis. Company overview. Alexandria Real Estate Equities, R. Alexandria Real Estate Equities is a leading real estate investment trust, REIT, focused on life sciences and technology properties. The company holds assets worth $34.4 billion, including operational properties in major U.S. innovation hubs such as Boston, San Francisco, New York, and Seattle. Market cap, $17.84 billion. Dividend, $1.32 per share quarterly. Dividend yield, 5.03%. Q4 2024 results. Key figures. FFO, funds from operations, $2.39 per share. Met estimates, up 4.82% YOY. Revenue, $788.95 million. Beat estimates of $780.16 million. Net income GAAP, a net loss of -38 per share, driven by one-time items related to asset revaluation and higher financing costs. One-time events. The net loss is primarily due to accounting write-downs, revaluation of asset values caused by higher financing costs amid rising interest rates, higher operating costs, inflation, and increased portfolio management expenses, refinancing costs, impact of rising rates on debt servicing and refinancing activities. Financial metrics analysis. NAV, net asset value, $105.77 per share. The current share price of $102.11 indicates slight undervaluation. Price to NAV ratio around 0.98. D/E ratio, 37.01%, a reasonable debt level for a RT. D/A ratio, 34.09%, reflecting low leverage. Occupancy rate, over 90%, confirming a high-quality property portfolio. WALE, weighted average lease expiry. Long-term leases provide stable cash flows. Cap rate, around 4.5%, typical for life sciences properties. Revenue per available square foot. Not explicitly reported, but revenue growth YOY indicates strong performance. Price trends and transactions. Stock price, $102.11. Support/resistance levels, $98.14/$112.04. Analyst target. Average target price is $120.15, suggesting around 17.7% upside potential. Options activity and insider transactions. Options. Pre-earnings. Call options outweighed puts at a 5-to-2 ratio, signaling positive expectations. Insider activity. No significant insider transactions were noted recently. Macroeconomic context. U.S. economy in a slowdown/recession phase. ISM manufacturing PMI below 50 indicates economic contraction. R operates in the defensive life sciences sector, which is resilient during downturns. Short squeeze potential. Unlikely, as short interest remains low. Summary. Pros and cons. Reasons to buy. High dividend yield, 5.03%, and stable cash flows. Slight undervaluation compared to NAV. Strong defensive position in the life sciences sector, less sensitive to economic cycles. Reasons to sell. Net losses due to rising financing costs and write-downs. Vulnerability to further interest rate increases. Potential refinancing challenges as rates remain elevated. R is a compelling choice for long-term investors seeking stable dividend income. However, risks from rising financing costs and broader economic uncertainties should be carefully considered. The current price below NAV suggests moderate growth potential. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for easier access to future analyses. Please like the video to help us understand your needs better. If you want us to prepare a similar short report on another company, write its name in the comments. We do not engage in brokerage activities consisting of investment advice, portfolio management including one or more financial instruments, or preparing recommendations regarding transactions in financial instruments, or any other brokerage activities specified in the Act on Trading in Financial Instruments. Journal of Laws, 2005, number 183, item 1538. In accordance with Regulation EU, number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council of April 16, 2014 on market abuse, and the Commission Delegated Regulation, EU, 2016/958 of March 9, 2016 supplementing Regulation EU, number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council with regard to regulatory technical standards for the technical means for objective presentation of investment recommendations or other information recommending or suggesting an investment strategy and disclosure of particular interests or indications of conflicts of interest. The information provided in this recording is a compilation developed based on data and content collected from various Internet sources, which are not always fully verified by us. They are for educational purposes and as part of an experiment on AI capabilities. When making investment decisions, the user should rely on their own judgment. Transactions conducted by the user are considered their own independent decisions.